Okay. Okay.
She's out in 3, 2, 1. She should be out. She's in the hospital.
Didn't do anything.
Oh, brother. Put your bags down.
This is everything. Stop! I'm not even doing anything! Stop!
I'm gonna help you out.
I thought you were fighting.
No. She was just everything.
Incident: retail theft, arrest, and use of force date, the 6th of September, 2024. Location: Target store, United States. Subject charged with felony theft and resisting arrest.
Okay.
So she's carrying 3 full bags of merchandise.
Okay.
She's gonna go exit. Actually, she's going south side of doors.
Okay.
She's out in 3, 2, 1. She should be out. She's in the hospital.
Hey, police, how's it going? Put the bags down.
I didn't do anything.
Oh, brother. Put your bags down.
This is everything I came in with.
Put your bags down.
I did not do anything. I didn't do anything.
Drop your bags, please.
I didn't do.
Let's stay cordial, okay? Just put your bags
Why
down.
are you?
Could you take your backpack off as well? You have to.
That is bullshit.
Take your backpack off.
That is bullshit.
Take your backpack off. You're gonna go in handcuffs with your backpack on. So.
This is bullshit.
Okay.
It's harassment.
What do you want to do?
Stop! I didn't even do anything.
I'm gonna
go away. So you have to listen to him.
Is this you guys?
No, so the bag she's sitting on is ours, but there is
No, I came in with all this.
I'm gonna cut this backpack off you if you don't.
You aren't gonna touch. Stop! I'm not even doing anything. I am not doing anything. I am not doing anything.
I'm gonna put you in handcuffs with the backpack.
Stop! That's harassment! You're not even supposed to put your hands on me without a female! You are breaking the law!
Take it off her hands. Alright.
This is mine! Yeah!
Just
Stop!
Mom, just stop. Give me your other hand, ma'am.
I wasn't even doing anything!
If you want
I wasn't doing anything!
Stop resisting!
I wasn't! I was sitting on my stuff! That's all I was doing!
Look, it's your work code for you. I want to
Stop yelling, please.
You hurt me! Get him away from me!
We're gonna stand
Get
here.
away from me!
He's gonna help you, okay?
I'm gonna help you stand up.
No one touch you. He's gonna help you.
Please!
He won't. Don't worry about
Let
him.
me breathe!
Let me
I
help you out,
can't do anything!
I'm gonna help you out. I thought you were fighting.
No. She's resistant. I mean, she's a female, so I can't get too like physical with her. Also, it's optics and all that, so. Where's Cody? All right, I'll start taking stuff out, and then you start letting me know what's going on. This is London.
We don't carry cobalt.
Can we put her in here for now?
Yeah, like he's in.
Stephanie, why are you going through every
Mira's mine.
Okay.
That is bullshit!
Is this you guys as well?
I don't think so. She had this water bottle when she came in.
There's a pink one as well.
Oh, whichever one she had when she came in, I can tell you if it's mine. That's the one she had when she came in. I don't think so. That one. This all yours?
Yeah.
This is. These are. I don't know if The husky stuff I think is probably like Home Depot or something.
Yeah, this is probably all Home Depot.
If it's not yours, I was gonna put all your merchandise here.
Okay.
For photo.
This is like all this is mine. This is a tag this year.
Okay. Anything that's not yours, I'll take off.
Are all these husky stuff and lucky stuff?
No, we only sell like the Gerber like
This is for
cheap
mine.
tools.
Very violated right now.
Yeah, this bag's gonna be from wherever this stuff's from. Cheese and
It could be Home Depot.
yeah. Don't we go drive over to Home Depot?
Yeah. Once we start doing all the stuff, it's either Home Depot or Lowe's. Otherwise, you could just throw it in my car and I could do it tomorrow. This is you?
Yeah.
None of this is yours, right?
None of the husky branded stuff. These.
Or is this yours?
I can check and see.
It's got a tag on it.
The backpack isn't.
No. Even the purple and the husky bag.
No, I searched the black bag. All these tools, these hatchets, all this stuff was in there, and he said it's not theirs. And the bag's brand new too.
The best guess for the bag would be Home Depot.
Can decide at any time to exercise his right.
All of you have done something. Shut the fuck
Yeah, let's do it. All of this is yours.
Everything right here is mine.
Batteries and then
We'll just take the photo on the ground then. Just to show.
Are you telling me I'm crazy?
No, I'm asking why
That's all in my head?
Okay.
we'll call this back and ask you.
Yeah, I'll pull my car up and grab it. Do you have big bags? Huge bags? Oh, we could just use that. Look at that. Damn.
It's a lot of knives, bro. Can't see her.
She's familiar.
Yeah, I know. That's the point. Are you gonna take the pepper spray?
Yeah, she's getting. Well, I'll ask Sarge if he wants to book because it's an $850 total.
That is bullshit!
Do you have clothes on under
You're taking stuff that doesn't even
They're going through all of the property to determine
No!
what you took. Yes, they are.
They're taking shit! I just
Stop.
watched it!
They're sorting through everything
I
because there's
just
stolen merchandise in the car.
watched it!
There's stolen merchandise in the bags. You exited with merchandise you didn't pay for.
Not those bags! No,
They're going
I
to go
did
through all
not.
of it. They're going to go through all of it.
That's bullshit!
Knife.
God damn it!
What's your last name? Stephanie, do you have ID in one of those bags?
No!
Okay, what's your last name?
Richard! Oh, God damn you!
Richards?
Stop! God damn you, Bombsing!
You're under arrest for all the merchandise that you took without paying for it.
No!
Yes.
Bombsing!
All that stuff in the gray bag? Or else target stuff?
Bombsing!
Put your feet in the car. Put your feet in the car. Turn and face the front. Stephanie, face the front. Face the front. You're 40 years old.
And you already know this is harassment.
It's not harassment.
Yes, it is.
How is it harassment if you took property that didn't
Stop.
belong to
Just stop.
you? That's what I'm asking you to do.
It is wrong. What do you expect me to
Steal?
do? Stop. You know.
I have no idea why you're behaving like this.
Stop. Just stop. This isn't right. It isn't
The amount of merchandise that
right.
So this isn't harassment. You brought this upon yourself.
Yes, it
No,
is.
when you steal, you bring the attention upon yourself.
Yes, it is.
How is it harassment? How is it harassment, Stephanie?
Because You know how... Oh!
You keep saying that, but obviously I don't know how it's harassment.
You're trying to make me a rat!
I didn't ask you to say who you're stealing it for.
No, you are!
No, I basically said you were caught stealing.
Okay!
And I'm just asking...
Are you telling me I'm crazy?
No, I'm asking why
That's
you're behaving
all in my head?
No, never said that. I'm just trying to figure out why you're behaving the way you are. Is there a reason why you're crying the way you are?
Yeah, because it hurt!
What hurt?
You guys are supposed...
What hurt, Stephanie?
Stop!
What hurt?
Just stop!
I can stop asking you questions if you don't want to talk to me, but I'm just trying to find out what happened. I'm trying to find out why you're acting the way you are.
For one thing, the dipshit didn't need to tackle me!
Okay.
He had no right to put his hands on me!
You had committed a theft.
I wasn't fighting him! I wasn't doing anything!
Okay. And were you behaving the way you are now? Were you behaving the way you are now?
No, not until he started to pull my hands and
So he put his hands on you to stop you.
No, I was sitting on the bag. I was sitting there.
Okay, what did he tell you to do? What did the officer tell you to do?
He said to take the backpack off. I was trying to calm down because there was no reason to make me take it off.
Well, you just said you weren't behaving like this, and you're saying you needed to calm
That's
down.
bullshit. That is bullshit.
Stephanie, are you hurt anywhere?
Fourth Amendment analysis, lawful stop and probable cause. Terry v. Ohio 392 U.S. 11968 establishes the threshold for investigative detention as reasonable articulable suspicion of criminal activity. In this case, loss prevention directly observed the subject conceal and exit, with unpaid merchandise elevating the legal basis from suspicion to full probable cause before first officer contact. Lawful orders. During detention, Pennsylvania v. Mims, 434 U.S. 106-1977. Officers conducting a lawful detention may issue reasonable compliance directives, including requiring removal of items that impede a lawful arrest. Refusal to comply with such directives constitutes active resistance, not protected conduct. Legal misconception on record. No provision in federal law requires the presence of a female officer to lawfully arrest a female subject. Any officer may effect a lawful arrest regardless of gender. This misconception, when acted upon directly, causes physical resistance and escalation. Lesson: understanding basic arrest law reduces confrontation. Use of force standard. Graham v. Connor, 490 U.S. 3861-989. The Supreme Court established objective reasonableness as the controlling standard evaluated from the perspective of a reasonable officer on the scene. 3 factors govern severity of the crime: whether the subject poses an immediate threat and whether the subject is actively resisting or attempting to flee. All 3 factors were present here and support the use of physical force to effect the arrest. Equal protection and use of force, 14th Amendment. An officer stating on camera that he restrained force because the subject was female and due to optics represents a departure from the Graham versus Connor framework. Force decisions must be grounded in threat assessment, not demographic characteristics. This creates direct institutional liability in any subsequent Section 1983 civil rights action. Search incident to arrest. Chimmel v. California, 395 U.S. 752-1969. Officers may conduct a warrantless search of the arrestee and the area within immediate control at the time of a lawful arrest without a warrant. Merchandise recovered from the bags is lawfully obtained evidence. Multi-store origin of recovered items may support aggregated theft charges. Custodial interrogation, Miranda v. Arizona, 384 U.S. 436-1966. Miranda warnings are required before custodial interrogation, defined as any questioning by law enforcement reasonably likely to elicit an incriminating response. Direct in-vehicle questioning of an arrested subject about the offense constitutes custodial interrogation. Statements obtained without prior advisement are presumptively inadmissible under the Fifth Amendment. Felony classification and resisting arrest. Theft valued at approximately $850 satisfies felony thresholds in most U.S. jurisdictions, where the felony floor ranges from $500 to $1,000. Physical resistance to a lawful arrest constitutes a separate criminal offense in all U.S. jurisdictions. The lawful remedy for a disputed arrest is judicial challenge, not physical non-compliance at the scene. Legal summary and lessons learned. Probable cause was properly established. Force fell within Graham v. Connor reasonable parameters. The warrantless search was valid under Schimmel. Key vulnerabilities: gender-based force calibration under the 14th Amendment and in-vehicle questioning without Miranda advisement under the 5th Amendment. Both issues create suppression risk and civil liability exposure that proper training would have prevented.